Hey guys, welcome to 8.8, and the lesson is called Problem Solving Addition Word Problems, and our essential question is, how can drawing a picture help you explain how to solve an addition problem? So Kelly gets 6 new cars, and he already has 18 cars, by the way. How many does he have now? So first of all, let's stop and think. What are we trying to find out here? How many cars does Kelly have? So we're going to be counting the toy cars. Kelly has 18 and he gets 6 more. So how would I solve that? Well, I would solve it by 18 is 1, 10, and 8 ones, and then plus 6 more. And I would try to make a 10 out of those ones. So I have to figure out how many do I need to add to this 8. See, this 8 to make another 10. Well, I know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I'm going to add 2 more. And then I have 10 more. Or I have, yes, 10 more. Plus the 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that 18 plus 6 equals 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Is that right? $24. Show how to solve the problem. Yes. They want us to write here that I made a 10 and added the ones. You made a new 10 and added the ones. Okay? Well, actually it wasn't a new 10, but it was a 10 of ones. All right? Okay, now let's go on to the next problem. It says, draw and write to solve. Alicia picks 60 blueberries to make a pie. All right, so I'm going to draw those 60 right now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I know that is 6 tens. Then she picks 12 more to eat. All right. So I'm going to add the 12 more. It's 10, 11, 12. I don't need to make a 10, do I? So I can just go on and count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 tens and 2 ones. And I know that 7 tens and 2 ones equals 72. So I have 72, or Alicia has 72 blackberries. Now, how did I do that? I added my tens and ones together. How I got the answer, right? Yuri collects 21 cans for the school food drive. Okay, I'm going to draw out 21. 10, 20, 21. And then to add to that, Leo collects 36. So that's 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. There's no way I can make another 10 here, so I'm just going to have to add my tens together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 6, 7 tens, 7 ones. So 5 tens and 7 ones equals 57. 57 cans is how much both boys collected. And again, we just added our together. I did not have to put all my ones together to make another 10. I didn't have to do that in these two questions. Okay? All right, I think there might be one more page that we're going to work on. And it says, share and show. Draw and write to solve. Crying out loud. All right, so it says draw and write to solve. Tyra sees 48 geese in the field. So let's draw 48. 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she sees 17 more. All right, so 17 would be 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17. Now I know that I can make a 10 there out of my ones. So I have 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put this together with these over here. And that's going to be another 10. All right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. Or I could have done this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones left over. So it's 65. 65. So this time I put 10 ones together. To make a 10. Then I added my 10s and 1s. And you guys don't have to write that much, but that's exactly what I did, okay? And then on this next one, Jade paints 35 circles. So that is 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then she paints 45 triangles. How many shapes does she paint? She has 45. Well, I can add my ones together, and that makes a 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s. So we did the same thing as we did up there. I put 10 ones together and then added my 10s and 1s, and I'm not going to write it. So my answer turned out to be 80 shapes altogether. Isn't that cool? I think that is, when I learned that, I can remember learning that as a little girl, and I thought that was the coolest thing ever to make 10. It takes 10 hops to get across the yard. How many hops does it take to get back to, how many hops does it take to get across the yard and back? Well, it takes 10 hops to get there, and it takes 10 hops to get back. So it takes 20 hops. And how did I get that? I knew that that was a doubles fact. Okay? Or you could draw it out. But I knew 10 plus 10 equaled 20 was a doubles fact. All right? So there's all different kinds of strategies that people use, boys and girls, and we do not have to use the same strategies as our neighbor. Alrighty. Okay. So that is what you're going to do. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.